Oh, eto na yung mga working girls. Sandali. 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 Working girls.
Binda นางต้องการถ่ายรูปเมเซ่ฮัลโหล for you upload already
Hi, vlog! Mag-hi naman kayo sa vlog ko.
Hello, vlog!
So the girls are going for dinner.
Welcome to my vlog.
Yoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo!
Wow! Wow! Oh my God!
Here is our youngest, our baby.
Wow.
Baby. Kasi basta koritsaki.
Wow!
Alam ko to.
Ito koritsaki. The baby and I'm the yaya. Yaya. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, vlog. Tourists. Tourists.
Is it cooking?
Chicken wings.
Yeah, chicken wings. Spicy.
It's chili spicy chicken. Chili.
Chicken wings.
Yeah, chili spicy.
Limonitis, chicken Italy samosa, juga pelanggan baju dulu, gimana? Gitu.
Okay. Telo masala. Garibis.
Berarti parang hilang. Biasa.
Yeah, I mean, greens masala. Yeah.
Spicy.
Spicy. Okay. And samosa. Meat samosa.
Questo che opera na mas cani foto.
Pero may five na.
Andras. Ne, no mission.
After when you bring the food, I'm very started.
Thank you very much.
Very started.
Sorry.
This is my diet Coca-Cola. These are the petite. You see? Petite. These are the giant.
Yes.
Cheers, girls. Cheers. Lamas. Yay. Madam, are you okay with your drinks? Naka-wine si Madam.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
See you later again. We'll be back.
Linda.
Very spicy. You kill us.
Oh my goodness. Holy moly. Ito ni.
Ada yang di.
Oh my God.
Ella sana din. Does that help?
Yes.
Patas piti ella. You would take this out. Leave it there. I will take it home. Then the chili sauce. We order spicy. We can eat. It's okay. No problem. We will eat it. We'll do it.
This is veggie samosa. This is chicken
And wings.
Chicken chili wing starter. And this is meat samosa. And this is
It's finished.
This is finished onion. This is onion, but they eat it already. Okay, we enjoy it. Cheers. Masarap siya. Para siyang chickpea yata eh. Tapos patatas. Mixed vegetable. Kasi ito mixed vegetable. Na samosa. Samosa.
That's veggie.
This is our main dish. This is tikka masala. Tikka masala. This is tikka masala.
Yeah, that's grilled chicken.
Tikka masala. Chicken, buttered chicken. And that one is
Masala shrimps.
masala shrimp
With naan bread with peshwari and garlic.
And this is, ano ba naman yung?
prawns.
King prawn. King prawn ba? King talaga yan.
Ano natin dyan?
Ewan ko
Inano
kung
nila,
king.
binalatan nila ng gusto.
King prawn. And the bread. And the same. Tikka masala. How is it, Sarah? Is it good? Is it good? You like it?
Yes. This one's sweet.
You like it?
Yes, I like it. Yes, I like
You like it?
Yes, I like it. Garlic is here. All right, thank you. Thank you. Here, garlic. Too much garlic. I did. This one's garlic. I did. That's garlic. Too much garlic. That's it. I love it.
Okay, let's enjoy. Let's enjoy.
Nice rice is nice.
Enjoy. Enjoy our food.
Nice.
Ito na, oh, lafang. Naubos na namin. It's so beautiful. We ate or everything. Let's take away. Lasing na yung kasama na. See that? See the plate?
Thailand. Like egg omelette. Have some milk in it. Fish no. Have no eat fish. Yeah, because the skin is no. Kalimutan natin kanina is dog. It's like we have allergy. The dog meat before is no. Like rabbit. But sometimes I just
What did you feed?
Yung lipstick?
video? Bakit hindi pa na-press? Oo nga. Oo. Na-press pa.
We enjoy the food. How much for me? Yan na. Pauwi na kami.
Uy ka na?
Uwi na tayo. Tapos na. Nabusog na.
From the party that come. Doesn't matter what time. We don't know. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog. Pauwi na kami. Mga busog na. We are all pregnant.
Busog na.
We are all pregnant. Pregnant. Yeah. Sarah, how many months? How many months?
6 months. For me, 9. 9.
For me, please, I'm going to birth.
Amoy Indian na kami. We, parang si Vivian wala namang kinain.
7 months?
9 months.
6 months.
No, I'm 9.
6 months. No.
We're we're counting our belly. Vivian did not eat anything. So, tapos na po yung gabi namin ngayon. Yun lang po. Paalam na po. Bow.
Paalam na po. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you next vlog. Bye, guys.
My vlog.
Another plan again. Outing.